How to complete About You. First, enter XTrend Speed app. Click the section of Me. And then click Complete Your Basic Information to start completing information. Second, please complete personal information, address, and financial information step by step. Personal information includes name, gender, date of birth. Address includes nationality, country of residence, city, town, full address and postal, zip code. Financial information includes employment status, what's your nature of business, and what's your annual income. Please complete About You truly and correctly. It should be noted that if you are not a politically exposed person, PEP or a U.S. citizen, please don't tick the box of Yes. Otherwise, the verification will fail, and you can't trade and deposit on XTrend Speed app. Please click Submit, and you have completed About You. Moreover, you will get $2 credit. Trading credit lets you trade 100% risk-free and any gains you make are yours to keep.